Do you like food? Because if so, I got the right demonstration speech for you. My name is Jordan, and for my speech, I'm going to make spaghetti. Alright? So, the materials you need water, obviously, a pot, a strainer, some spaghetti sauce, spaghetti, and a little spoon. Alright, so first step we have to do, we gotta fill this pot up with water. Then after we fill it up with water, we have to wait till the water boils, but for time's sake, we're just going to skip through the boiling part. And so, while it's boiling, kinda, got some facts for you. Instant noodles might be cheap today, but back 400 years ago, it was actually a luxury food. It would cost you $140 a year to eat ramen noodles for each meal. By federal law, noodles have to contain 5.5 egg solids in order to be called a noodle. And then for my citation, according to National Geographic, they found a 4,000-year-old bowl of noodles. I thought that was a pretty cool fact by a credible source. And we're just going to say it's boiled. So you take the noodles, and you're gonna want to open the package. You just want to slide it in there. So the water's supposed to be boiling. So if it wasn't, we also need butter, but I don't know where I put the butter. Okay, so here's the butter. So you want to take some butter, a little scoop of it, or a little bit more than that. And that just keeps the noodles from like sticking together. And then once it like gets ready, you should know, because it'll look like these. And another way you can check, you can throw it up here. And if it sticks, it means it's ready. Anyway, we're just going to leave that there. And then, so once this is boiling and you keep stirring it, making sure the water's not going everywhere, and you don't overcook the noodles because no one likes a soggy noodle, okay? So after that, we're going to strain it. So we're going to take this bowl of water with the noodles in it, and then we're going to pour it in the strainer in the sink so all the water goes out. So when you're done, you're going to have to shake it. You have to shake it, make sure all the water's out, and preferably you want to dump it back into the bowl. But since I have these noodles in here, I'm just going to put the noodles in here for now and dump all this water out. And then we're going to take the noodles that I've already finished so we don't have to wait for the other noodles to be done. And then we're going to take the sauce, any spaghetti sauce that you can get from the store will work, and you're just going to dump it in there. And then you're going to put it back on the stove to keep it warm. And you want to mix it in there. Make sure every part gets some sauce on it, so it's like even. And then once you know that, it's ready to eat, so you just put on a plate. So we're gonna just use this plate. Alright, then once we're done with that, that's how you do it. So in conclusion, all you need is water, pot, some noodles, and some sauce to make some spaghetti. Sorry. That's how you make spaghetti.